EYENESKE here. Today I'm going to talk about how to make your own logo in 5 minutes. I'm not going to use Photoshop or any other professional graphic designing software because it would take a long time to make a logo with those softwares. So first we will open Google Chrome or any other browser you use lol. After opening it, we will write canva.com. As you can see, there are many formats in which you can create a design in Canva. But we are going to make a logo, so we will focus on that. You can see that there are many templates available. But I'm going to choose the blank option, because I will make my own logo design and show you guys what type of functions are there. You can see that the templates are available here too. But for now, I will make a logo design by myself. See how I have selected the background and changed the color to black. Now I will go to Element and select some cool designs. There are many types of designs in Canva. You can get almost every type of design you want. You can change their color, size and much more. Some of them are premium, so you need to buy Canva Pro, but don't worry, because almost all of them are free. I hope you saw how I choose the circle and changed its color. Now I will show how you can add text. Just simply go to the text option and choose the type of text you want to add. You can change the font of the text, the color, the size and many more. Some of the fonts are available only for Canva Pro version. The circle is looking very simple. Let's add something else. Oh yeah, let's add some cool gradients instead of that simple circle and the black background. Lol. So guys, this is how you make a good looking logo design in 5 minutes. You can download and share your design in many ways, as you can see. Some types of features need Canva Pro, but whatever, in most of the times we don't need them. After downloading, you can see that it is saved in your downloads.